How well do you know your road signs? Let's find out. Test yourself with these 50 ultimate road signs and find out. Let's jump in. Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to upcoming traffic signals. Which traffic sign indicates the presence of two-way traffic? Can you identify the road sign instructing drivers to give way to other vehicles? Which traffic sign designates a zebra crossing ahead? Identify the road sign that indicates the approach of a roundabout. Which road sign warns drivers of a steep uphill ascent? Can you identify the traffic sign that signifies pedestrians are prohibited? Which road sign marks the beginning of a 20-mile-per-hour speed-restricted zone? Identify the sign warning of an opening or movable bridge ahead. Which traffic sign indicates that overtaking is prohibited? Can you identify the road sign that warns of a staggered junction ahead? Which traffic sign shows traffic merging onto the main carriageway? Identify the road sign that warns of an uneven or irregular road surface. Which road sign indicates the presence of caravans? Can you identify the sign prohibiting vehicles exceeding the specified width? Which road sign warns drivers of a low arched bridge ahead? Identify the traffic sign indicating roadworks in progress. Which road sign warns that the roadway narrows from both sides? Can you identify the sign advising drivers of a slippery or skid-prone surface? Which traffic sign allows vehicles to park partially on the verge? Identify the road sign warning of low-flying aircraft in the area. Which traffic sign indicates the presence of accompanied horses? Can you identify the road sign that warns of slow-moving vehicles? Which traffic sign alerts drivers to a series of bends ahead? Identify the road sign warning of wildfowl crossing in the vicinity. Which traffic sign indicates that children may be crossing ahead? Can you identify the sign directing drivers along a designated route to the left? Which road sign indicates a dip or sudden depression in the road? Identify the traffic sign that designates a no-through road. Which road sign warns that icy or slippery conditions may be present? Can you identify the sign prohibiting goods vehicles? Which traffic sign bans all motor vehicles except solo motorcycles? Identify the road sign designating a tram-only route. Which traffic sign warns of migratory toads crossing the carriageway? Can you identify the sign indicating that vehicles have priority ahead? Which traffic sign warns of a double bend, with the first bend to the left? Identify the road sign showing a bus lane with two-way traffic. Which traffic sign indicates a camping and caravan site ahead? Can you identify the road sign indicating that parking on the verge is prohibited? Which traffic sign warns of a junction ahead on a primary route? Identify the road sign instructing drivers to stop before crossing due to police presence. Which traffic sign indicates a filter-in turn ahead? Can you identify the sign marking the end of a prohibition on goods vehicles? Which road sign indicates the end of temporary driving restrictions? Identify the traffic sign prohibiting vehicles exceeding 33 tons. Which sign prohibits vehicles carrying inflammable liquids? Can you identify the road sign marking the end of a controlled zone? Which traffic sign indicates traffic signals designated specifically for bicycles? Identify the road sign indicating a route reserved for trams and buses only. Can you identify the traffic sign prohibiting buses and coaches? Well done, making it to the end. If you want more road sign videos, test tips, and driving lesson guides, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Continue learning with these videos on your screen. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.